Hey everyone, welcome back to Favor Tech YouTube channel. If you're stuck on the Google account verification screen after resetting your Honor 50, don't worry, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're walking you step by step through the process to remove FRP lock on the Honor 50, just a clean and easy method that works. After performing a hard reset on your Honor 50, you'll reach this screen. It says, Verify your account. This is part of Google's Factory Reset Protection, or FRP, a security feature that protects your phone if it's lost or stolen. As you can see, the device is stuck on the Verify Your Account screen. Now, on the Honor 50, bypassing FRP using regular tricks or free methods is not possible due to Huawei's updated security patches. I need to open the back panel of the phone and connect the USB through the test point to open the lock. I will use a tool to unlock it, which is called Unlock Tool. In today's tutorial, I will be using a professional software called Unlock Tool. Using this tool, we will easily remove the FRP lock of Honor 50, completely safely. If you need tools, you can contact us on WhatsApp or through our Facebook page. First select the model and check it at the test point. Connect USB via test point. Once your Honor 50 is properly connected and detected by the software, the rest is very simple. White heavy checkmark, just click on the FRP Remove option in Unlock Tool. Mobile phone, the tool will start the process automatically, and within a few moments, the FRP lock will be completely removed from your device. No need to enter the previous Google account. Thanks for watching.